Is there an error in your credit report? Don't worry, we're going to tell you how you can fix that, and the process isn't as difficult as you might think. Your credit report is based on data shared by the financial institutions that you deal with. If you've spotted an error in your credit report, such as an on-time payment being listed as a late one, you need to act at once. Fill out the dispute form and submit it online. You might have to provide details such as your name, address, date of birth, and control number. Remember to be as detailed in your explanation as possible and support your claims with evidence. Your credit bureau will send your dispute details to the financial institution in question. Then the bank or NBFC will confirm if the dispute is valid or not. In case of a valid dispute, the institution will inform your credit bureau and the necessary changes will be incorporated. It's advisable to check your credit report before you apply for a loan. You can check for your Experian credit score online for free at bankbazaar.com. Make sure that you look through your credit report carefully because it can majorly affect your credit score. If you have a low credit score, your application for a loan can get rejected or you may not get the deal that you truly deserve. So if you find something that doesn't seem right in your credit report, act on it immediately.